guys, this is the Lala Coffee here. It's so very nice here guys. Oh. So, it's a very nice ambience. Oh my god, so beautiful. So this is only on the downstairs guys. So that is the app. We will check it later. Sorry, saan ko dyan? Ang ganda niya. So beautiful. Wow. Very nice ambience. Ang ganda niya talaga. Oh, na-amaze ang person. So very, very beautiful. I love Lala. Okay, I love Lala. Wow. I can see the picture there. Oh, very nice. Pick up. So this is if you want to order guys. So you can get here. So this is the information. I love Lala. Very, very nice. Wow. So ayan ang kanilang rooftop. So that's it. I love Lala. So if you pick your order here, and then that is their first key. So this is their food guys if you want to